If you're watching this, you know you're in Antara Zouqh. And today I'm here with a simple yet delicious recipe. A recipe which everyone should have in their repertoire, which is the humble green chutney. This one condiment changes the look of the plate, and it is one very widely popular flavoring agent which is used all over India. My style is a little different, so let's get cooking, or rather, mixing, considering there is nothing to cook in this recipe. We start with a fresh bunch of dhania or coriander leaves. You can use the leaves for something different. For the chutney, we actually require the stemmy part of coriander. The stems have a lot of moisture in it, hence it is gonna help the chutney mix together very well in the mixer grinder. Also, it's robust in coriander flavor. Chop the leaves and the stem roughly, along with 3 to 4 green chillies, depending on the taste, and a fresh young ginger that I have harvested today itself from the garden. Just chop it roughly and set it aside. Young ginger has a lot less heat, so that's the reason why I've used a fairly large chunk. And lastly, take some fresh mint. I would prefer it from a container which is growing mint on your windowsill or in your balcony. Take some of those leaves and chop them roughly. Now let's start mixing. In the mixer grinder jar, add the zest of a lime. This lime too was harvested today in the morning. Add salt and sugar to taste, followed by 3 cloves of garlic, the green chilies, and the ginger. Give it a mix. Once you open it, add the coriander right now. Stuff it in because the amount will considerably go down once it's mixed thoroughly. I didn't have to add any water because the stems had a lot of water in them. But if your coriander bunch is giving you a little bit of trouble, feel free to add a splash of water. Now add in the mint. We add the mint in the end so that mint doesn't get discolored. Adjust the seasoning once again and give it a mix. Once you open it, you'll see that the mint has turned a little brownish in color. So this is the time for us to add some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Don't worry, I have fished out that pit which has accidentally fallen in my mixer grinder. Try to not have any seeds in there, otherwise it's gonna turn really bitter. Give it a mix and then do a taste test to adjust salt and sugar to your taste. My green chilies were very spicy, so I need a little more sugar to balance it. Now, this be a great time to add some really sour curd. I add about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Give it a good mix, and you can see how vibrant the color is now. We must be very careful with the mint because mint is notoriously famous for becoming black. You need to add enough acids so that it doesn't do that. It's time for a final taste test, and voila, your green chutney is made. You can store it in an airtight glass jar or container for about a week or so, and you can have a teaspoon of this chutney with everything that you eat. I especially enjoy this chutney on a piece of crisp sourdough bread in the morning. And of course, if you want any more ideas as to how to eat this chutney, please check out our chole bhature recipe. So if you liked spending time with us, don't forget to subscribe so that you keep coming back to us. Hit that red bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Cheers!